na huo abana ba marehemu mwaka Abuga. I consider myself part of this family. Jackie, naomba uje usimame na mimi hapa. So I'll allow each, kwa sababu hii ni sherehe ya mwisho, familia tuwapatie nafasi ya
zenu. Mimi nataka kuambia shukurani sana kwa kuja kutuombeleza sisi hapa. I give you a lot of thanks. Sina mengi ya kuongea.
Assalamu alaikum. Kwa majina ni Abdul Mogeni, kijana wa pili.
You know, watu mmoja kama people bae. Sasa people wa Adams, tafadhali uje usimame hapa karibu na ule wako, ule wa Halima aje asimame na wake, ule wa Adams aje asimame na wake, ule wa Elvis. Kujeni msimame hapa tujue. Asante, asante sana. So as you speak, you also introduce your spouse. Haya. Na watoto wakuja wasimame next to the parents. Asante. Hi. So Elvis.
Nishawaambia majina yangu ni Jeremia Elvis Mogeni. Na huyu ni Ezna Obure Mogeni. Asanteni.
Abako nalibwenzi mbiyama. Abaira nirimbu yamna soko jagotoa pore. Asimu haroka mukoirana na monene.
Abdul
Kwa majina nilisema ni Abdul Mogeni. Nusu ndio huyu anaitwa Mustafa Mogeni. Kijana Riaz Abubakar alichukua jina ya mzee, alafu kitinda anaitwa Ridwana Nyaboke. Sitasema mengi kwa saizi. Hayo baadaye tutapewa nafasi. Hii ndio peke yake. Siwezi sema mengi kwa maana tayari Mogeni ilisema mzee alikuwa aje. But to take this opportunity, I give thanks to all those people who came from Migori, Awendo, Kisumu, and here the Nyamirans. I also take this opportunity to say a big thanks to Mogeni, each and everybody who tried to participate in any way to assist us and to give them the befitting send off. For this I say thank you.
Amjamboni wote. Amjamboni tena. Nakushukuru Honorable Matiang'i. Asante sana umekuja kutuomboleza. Waheshimiwa wote na kila mmoja. Hata uwe kama ni mama nyanya, mama mboga, wote na washukuru. Manake mwache kazi yako kwa kuja kutusaidia kuomboleza. Kwa majina naitwa Halima Michoki, saizi natumia jina Umbati. Rafiki yangu, tena mpenzi wangu, anaitwa Joel Kissinger Umbati. Tumebarikiwa na watoto watatu. Mkubwa anaitwa Ian Nyanumba Umbati. Msichana anaitwa Erin Nyaboke Umbati. Na mdogo akapewa jina ya baba, ndio Joas Mabiria Umbati. Mwashukuru na mzidi kubarikiwa. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana. Mwaiwe karoga te unga introduce mo to atengo yo nero. Rafiki tena ni mupe? Basi. Lero twakolera masomo. Adams.
Habari zenu. All protocol observed. I'm Adams Mogeni, the fourth born of Joas Mogeni. I'm here with my wife, lovely wife, Agnes Moregi. Wacha nimpe mic aongee alafu nitaongea baadaye.
God is good and all the time. Yeah. To everyone, thank you so much for coming to celebrate the life of Mzee. We are actually celebrating him. Mzee lived a very full life. Even when he was unwell, he was still enjoying his rumba and his country music. So please, we are here to celebrate his life. And thank you once again.
For me, this is a celebration because I've been with Mzee. We have walked this journey since 2014. Trying to make sure Mzee is comfortable, he gets the correct treatment. We made sure he's comfortable as much as possible. But the last 3 months have been difficult for me because I had to see my dad going down, the strong soldier who I knew could not be able to hold life the way I thought he could. But we used to have conversation with him about life, and most of the time he used to be controversial. What people think, he thinks the other way around. He tells me, do this, but don't do that. And I remember one day I was driving him to the hospital, like the last time we were meeting him, and it seemed to him that he knew he will not come back home. And what he told me that, kijana, ukifanya nini yangu, sherehe yangu, wacha watu waongee vizuri juu yangu, watu waongee maneno ya peace, love, na pia nataka kuona uende Matiang'i akuje huko kwa hiyo sherehe yake ya mwisho. So that's what he told me, and I'm happy, man, because I can see Honorable Matiang'i is here, and I think my dad is smiling where he is, that Matiang'i came to his final biting him off. So thank you very much, Senator, for making this possible. I have 2 kids. They are in Nairobi. They could not manage to come because they are still in school. So the one is Jamil, and the other one is Aziel.
Thank you, Adams. And we want to thank Adams and Agnes, sweetheart, work with you. This lady is a gem. She's been very, very... Simpe makofi, jamani. Yeah, Mzee stayed in her house, and every day, any time of the day you visited, she was there welcoming us. Unapewa chai, unapewa ngwashe. You are served 5-course meal. May God bless you. Mama uko wapi? Mama, tunakushukuru sana kwa kulea msichana mzuri kama huyu. Sijui mama ameenda wapi, lakini tunakupa hongera mama. We celebrate you. We celebrate you. And we also celebrate Adams for having such a big heart. You gave it all in trying to make Mzee comfortable. So we also appreciate you and really bless you. Moa. Oh, yeah. I'm reminded there is that young man who used to take care of Mzee. Are you here? Boniface Odur, are you here? Uko wapi Boniface? Yeah, hey, that young man is a wonderful person. Alikuwa anachunga Mzee 24 hours a day. That young man. Asante sana, Boniface. May God bless you. Thank you. So, Mohammed.
Aba sabaroba minto, aba mame, aba heshimiwa, my boss Roger Muturi. I worked for him for 3 years at Guardian. I know some of you are wondering why am I here among the Abakar family. Abakar is my mother's brother. He took me in when I was 2 years, and he has raised me for the last 42 years that I am now. Took me to school, mentored me, took me to Ukambani to marry my Omwanchi Sophia Katana from Kitui. In fact, we were there in May, we danced, Senator was there, everyone was there. I don't have words to say because Mzee Abakar was more than a father to me, our family. Abakar is my mother's brother. He took me in when I was 2 years. My brother Senator, let me introduce my beautiful wife, my Omwanchi. I call her Omwanchi 001. And we were schoolmates at Mombasa Polytechnic. This is my son, Mohamed Mogeni Jr. This is my beautiful daughter, named after my mother, Neema Kerubo Mogeni. I could have said more about my father, but because this is his big day, I will just say.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sophia Mogeni. This is my son called John Roberts. I'm looking for a sweetheart. It seems I should have done that before this day, but it is in the process. I would like to say that my dad was a very great man, wonderful, and simply said, I was his kamwana and his sweetheart. There's a lot I would have said, but my coping mechanism is kind of going down. But he really did love us, all of us, greatly. And seeing you all showing up for him, I know he's smiling wider than he is right now, wherever he is. So this is good. We appreciate it, and thank you for showing up.
Hi, thank you. Did you introduce? This is John and Robert. Asante sana. Ndoko malenga wako basaberanga nyasa bene familia. Asante sana. So na